Hey there! If you've recently updated your iPhone to iOS 18.1.1 and are experiencing Wi-Fi issues, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you through a few simple steps to get your Wi-Fi working again. Let's get started. The first thing to try is restarting your iPhone. Once your device powers back on, check if the Wi-Fi issue has been resolved. If that doesn't work, the next step is to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and find your network in the list. Tap the info, icon next to your network, then select Forget this network and confirm. Now go back to the Wi-Fi settings, find your network again, and reconnect by entering the password. This often fixes issues like weak signals or connection errors. Still having trouble? It might be time to reset your network settings. Keep in mind this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configurations, so make sure you have them saved beforehand. Go to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm your selection, and your iPhone will restart. Once it powers back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and see if the problem is fixed. And that's it. These steps should help resolve most Wi-Fi issues after updating to iOS 18.1.1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.